Today we are making a simple recipe for creamy garlic mashed potatoes. Ingredients: 3 to 4 large potatoes peeled and chopped into 1-inch cubes. 2 tablespoons butter. 1/4 cup milk or heavy cream. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Optional grated cheddar cheese, chopped cilantro or sour cream for topping. Instructions: boil potatoes until tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Drain. In a large mixing bowl, combine potatoes, butter, milk, garlic, salt, and pepper. Mash until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust seasoning. Serve hot, topped with cheese, cilantro, or sour cream if desire. Here is an approximate calorie count for creamy garlic mashed potatoes. Per serving serves 4 to 6. Calories 240 to 360. Total fat 12 to 18 g. Saturated fat 8 to 12 g. Cholesterol 20 to 30 milligrams. Sodium 200 to 300 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 30 to 45 g. Dietary fiber 2 to 3 g. Sugars 2 to 3 g. Protein 3 to 4 g. Full recipe serves 4 to 6. Calories 960 to 1440. Total fat 48 to 72 g. Saturated fat 32 to 48 g. Cholesterol 80 to 120 milligrams. Sodium 800 to 1200 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 120 to 180 g. Dietary fiber 8 to 12 g. Sugars 8 to 12 g. Protein 12 to 16 g. Factors affecting calorie count: type and amount of dairy, milk, cream, butter, cheese. Amount of garlic and herbs. Addition of toppings, bacon, cilantro, cream. Size of serving. To reduce calories, use lower fat dairy or alternatives, almond milk. Add more herbs and spices for flavor instead of butter or cream. Use Greek yogurt or cottage cheese for added protein. Roast garlic for deeper flavor without added calories.